Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find your flight number on Expedia. Whether you're preparing for check-in or just need to confirm your travel details, knowing where to locate this information quickly can save you time and stress. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to expedia.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your booking information stored on the platform. After logging in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see an option labeled Trips. Click on it. This section is your central hub for managing all your travel arrangements, whether they're upcoming trips or saved for future reference. Once you're in the Trips section, you'll need to navigate between booked or saved. Here, you'll see a complete list of all your bookings and flights. This is where Expedia organizes everything you've reserved through their platform, making it easy to access your travel details whenever you need them. Now, if for some reason you can't find your booking or flight in the list, don't worry, there's an alternative way to retrieve it. Look for an option that says Find Your Booking and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your itinerary number, which is typically sent to you via email when you first made the reservation. After entering the itinerary number, click Continue. This will pull up your specific booking, even if it doesn't appear in your main list. Once you've located your trip, click on it to open its full itinerary or trip details page. This page contains all the comprehensive information about your reservation, including flight times, dates, and other relevant travel details. Take a moment to let the page fully load so all the information displays correctly. On the itinerary page, scroll down until you reach the flight section. This is where all your flight-related information is organized. Here, you'll see each leg of your journey laid out clearly with the corresponding dates and times. Next, click on the specific flight segment you're interested in. For example, if you have a round trip, you might see options like 1 out of 1 or outbound flight. Clicking on this segment will expand its details, revealing more specific information about that particular flight. Now look under the airline name and route. This is where the flight number will be clearly listed. The flight number typically consists of the airline's 2-letter code followed by a series of digits, and it's essential for checking in and tracking your flight status. Alternatively, you can also check your email to see all your flight details, including the flight number. Expedia sends a confirmation email after every booking that contains your complete itinerary, making it a quick reference point if you need to access your information on the go. And there you have it. You've successfully located your flight number on Expedia, making it easy to manage your travel plans with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.